Error code F09. What is this washing machine trying to tell us? Well, all modern appliances essentially have a computer inside, and that computer has a memory chip. And just like your home computer memory chip, this can sometimes fail or get corrupted. The good news is, this might be something that you can fix yourself. So let's give it a go. Hey, Bryn here. So the only way modern appliances can tell you something has gone wrong is by presenting you with an error code. Now, error codes are very manufacturer and model specific, and in this video I'm going to be talking about error code F09 for Hotpoint and Indesit washers only. So if you have another brand of washing machine, you may not get the same error code at all, or you may find the error code is for something completely different. However, the advice in this video will still be valid for anyone with a washing machine that has the same problem. Before I begin though, if you need any assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint washing machine error code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint washer errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. F09 is telling us that this machine's memory chip may have become corrupted. So the first thing to do is treat it like a home computer, and in the words of the IT crowd, have you tried turning it off and on again? Now this is actually genuine advice, as rebooting the machine can often reset the memory chip and solve F09. So we'll need to switch this machine off at the mains. Now, getting to your mains plug depends entirely on where your plug lives. Yours might be easily accessible, as mine is. It's in the cupboard next door, or it might be behind the washing machine itself, and if that's the case, you'll need to pull it out. Now, if you do need to move your washing machine, remember washing machines can be really heavy, so please only try and do it yourself if you think you can do it safely. Don't be afraid to ask for help, remember safety first. Now, a top tip for you, I like to slide something underneath the appliance. This helps to protect the floor, but it also gives you something to slide the appliance on. Now, you can use vinyl or cardboard, or in my case, a sheet of hardboard. Another tip for you, if there is nothing on the outside that you think you can grab hold of, open the door and hold on to the door frame itself, but try not to grab hold of the floating drum. Unplug the machine and wait for about 10 minutes to give the memory enough time to completely clear. And then plug it back in and turn it on. Bingo! Well, that's worked for me and everything is back to normal. But if you're still getting the F09 error code, then unfortunately you're going to have to call out an engineer. And to do that, or to live chat with one of our service team about anything error code related, go to hotpointservice.co.uk.